Asinibingelele bafethu, I hope all you good. Nama I'm good on my side. Just I'm excited bafethu for ukwenza le video because dibone la couple endithandayo yabo. So angakabi sure ukuthi ba confirmed or what yabo. But according to me na like by couple yabo leyo nto. Na kanjani lizoqoma lapha yabona. Mbona speaking la Pure beshare stage lapha yana ku Quarter Fest bafethu yabo leyo nto bashamanya ama interview na nje yabona. Ngavele ngajabula kakhulu guys, ngavele ngajabula kakhulu ukubona this 2 yabo leyo nto, special for Speaking guys, because Speaking like has been like supporting Naledi Pure yabo leyo nto, but engathole something in return yabo. So Naledi eventually wamcabangela Speaking omfaka ngomeni yakhe yabo, and then manje sebeyagiga, everything is on point, and indlela engibona ngayo the way actor ngakhona towards Speaking uzoqoma Speaking ungajahi inkabi yami, take your time uzoqoma and waqoma wenze sure ukuthi umphatha kahle, because umuntu esifazana umlule kakhulu kumele wenze sure ukuthi umphatha kahle inkabi yami yabo, ungaveli nje uyabo leyo nto umphathe kahle and nizoya kude. Into engithandayo ke ngawo Speaking uthi yami umulti talented, uthi yami ukhona konke wena uyayibona leyo nto, isocializwa ngawe uyayibona into le. So make sure ukuthi aqala kuloko mfethu ungakuyekeli. Naledi cula kamnandi, music umnandi, ingoma imnandi guys. I've been listening to that song every time mangizolala hlezi ngilalela because I do relate nengoma yenu guys. Ingathi ngaqhubeka ndidrop njalo music omnandi. Thina sikhona for ukuni supporta guys uyayibona leyo nto, thina sikhona for ukuni supporta ukuthi music mawuqhubeke njalo uye phambili, nama career wena aqhubeke njalo uye phambili, konke nokufisayo guys ukuthi makufeza kuseke, even if ufuna ushada Naledi naloko kufeza kuseke mfethu umshade mfethu uyayibona leyo nto, nibe nomndeni nikhulelane njalo because niyafanelana nje kakhulu and then bahle nobabili nafanelana ngendlela eyisimanga. So all the best guys towards nina. Today I'm happy ubona like into engibonile bafethu pe stage yonke nje into engibona today la ku social nje. I'm very happy guys when we together nipusha ngendlela nipusha ngayo, nibambe kanjani, ningavumela abantu banixabanise guys please, because abanye abantu abamnyama banomona guys ayibona leyo nto. So ningayivumeli banixabanise guys, nihlezi njalo nibambene nize nifike emfuna ufika khona guys yabo. Mina sengiyaphuma ke manje sengithi salute nibe grand bafethu vikeza nincanya wayase.